Hey guys, my name is Olympio and today I will talk about US dollar first of all, guys, because later we'll have the industrial production, capacity utilization rate, flash manufacturing PMI, and flash services PMI. These two represent high impact events and could really shake the markets. So we'll talk about all markets actually. So if you have questions, I'm waiting for your messages in that YouTube chat, and I will try to answer to your questions as always. Risk disclaimer, guys, don't forget to read it. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance, so please read it. I will close that window. So later we'll have US high impact events, and earlier today I've talked about the British pound, the US dollar in my daily video analysis, and I've said that taking out 1.2740 could open the door for a potential larger downside movement. Right now, after this massive drop and sell-off, yeah, maybe personally I would like to see something like this, a retest, and then I will look for shorts. Maybe if I would have placed the pending order sell stop here right now, I would have been in profit. But don't forget that the economic data could bring us high volatility, sharp movements in both directions. It's very important. So right now I'll wait maybe for the economic data before taking action on the US dollar. Right now, if you are a VIP member, personally I'm still holding my US 500 position and trade, which looks good. Maybe I will decide later to cut the risk again, or and I will come back with my trade management, with my updates into the VIP group. As always, don't forget that I'm sending all my my steps or my actions, trade management, if I will decide to manage a position, or if I will decide to close it, or to place a new trade. So DXY, I will start with the DXY because I've talked about the dollar index earlier today, guys, in that market breakdown video for the VIP group. That's why it's important. Personally, I'm sending that that market breakdown video every day into the VIP group. I will talk about potential opportunities and setups on the US dollar and Japanese yen. And today I've talked about this rally. I've said that if the price stays near the downtrend line, a value breakout may register a larger and broader rebound. And I've said that this scenario should force the US dollar to appreciate versus rivals. Charles, hi, how are you? Admin, hi, I register VIP member. Give us a signal for VIP, please. I'm a member. Charles, admin, how to log in? VIP member. Please send an email to support. I'm not sorry, support. Please send an email to support. They will sort you out. As I've said, personally, I'm not working as a support agent. I don't know exactly, but or actually, you'll have to wait for the support team to come back to you. Or please send an email to support. They will sort you out. Okay. So Charles, give us a signal for VIP, please. I'm a member. I will send maybe after the economic data a new trade, or maybe here during the live session, because but only when I'll have a high probability trade, high probability setup. So I've talked about British pound, US dollar. Maybe, but unfortunately, the reason why I didn't place it a pending order right below 1.2740 was only because personally I didn't wanted the price to register only a false breakdown here and then to rebound. Right now, strong downside pressure ahead of the U.S. economic data. Even if the Empire State Manufacturing Index came in worse than expected, guys. But let's wait. Let's wait. And right now, personally, as I've said, I'm still holding my US500 trade. Also, Euro USD. Personally, I wanted to send something here on Euro USD. Also here. Maybe it was a mistake that I didn't place it a pending order here. But this is the thing, guys. Because if I would have, because right now it has reached the demand zone, if I would have placed a sell stop there, maybe my stop loss would have been here, and I don't know, potential take profit, for example, this take profit, for example. And please take a look, after this massive sell-off, we cannot exclude a rebound, the Euro USD to come back to retest the supply zone before going down, really developing a larger downside movement. So maybe placing a sell stop here. If I would have placed a sell stop here, a potential my position, it would have been in a small profit. But let's wait to see how it will react around this demand zone, because if the US reports poor economic data, worse than expected the data, then the price could come back up, and then I will look maybe for potential shorts. USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen, maybe only if your US dollar Japanese yen develops a strong bullish momentum in the short term, and if it drops to retest, then maybe I will look for longs, for potential longs. But I will keep an eye on this market. Maybe this could be, I don't know, maybe my next trade. Charles, hi. British pound, Japanese yen. What about that market? Please, guys, if you want me to answer to your questions, please tell me what you are looking at. If you are a bull, a bear, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, your levels, your time frame. Personally, I will take a look on all markets. But if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. USD CAD. Also here, USD CAD. After this strong rally, maybe I would like the price to come back to retest here, and then to really develop a larger upwards movement. This scenario could take shape. That's why, guys, I've said that I'll wait for the US economic data, because I need confirmation also from the US economy before looking for US dollar longs. And coming back down to retest maybe could bring us potential longs on USD CAD. Okay. US oil, and can you check Bitcoin? I will take a look on cryptocurrencies as well. Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe. Thank you, guys. As I've said, I will take a look on all markets, but please be patient, right? USD CAD. Right now, I don't want to buy it here, because it could tend to the downside, maybe to retest this zone here, and then to develop an upwards movement. I'll wait also for the economic data, and if the US reports better than expected data, positive economic data should help the US dollar to dominate the currency market in the short term. So I'm still looking for potential US dollar longs, guys, US dollar longs, because after that massive sell-off, and as you already know from my videos, the US dollar depreciated versus its rivals only because the Federal Reserve is expected to cut the interest rate by 75 basis points next year. That's why. Okay. So New Zealand or US dollar. Also here, guys, maybe I would like to see here it has dropped, but it has failed to close below the former low. That's why it's very important for the US economic data, or for the US to report positive economic data and then we can look for US dollar longs. Okay, I will take a look on gold, silver, US oil, US equities, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Japanese yen. So yeah, I will take a look on all markets. If I will have something really good, I will place a new trade. I will send a new setup into the VIP group, or maybe I will share it as a free trade as well. Yeah, one moment, guys. So Australian dollar, US dollar. Same here. Okay, breakdown. I would like to see a rebound. The price, I would like the price. I would love the price, and I would like the price to come back here to retest this zone, and then I will look for potential shorts, guys. For potential shorts, okay. For potential shorts. This could be my my setup here. Yeah, if the price comes back after reaching this demand zone, if the price comes back to retest this zone, then I will look for potential shorts. US dollar, Singapore dollar, and then I will take a look on gold. Should we short as for what? It's your call. Yeah. Personally, I'm already short on US 500. Yeah. Personally, I was looking at something on US 100 as well today. I will take a look on that market in 1 minute. USD, Singapore dollar, the same as the dollar index. Massive sell-off right now, rally, maybe a retreat before developing a larger rebound, upwards movement. No, I don't have a high probability setup here right now. Maybe if it comes back to test retest, yeah, something like this. USD Mexican peso. USD Mexican peso, nope. USD South African rand. Because personally, I was looking on all these markets, trying to identify the best setup on the US dollar. Yeah, US dollar setup. US dollar setup. Yeah. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Yeah. Yeah, US dollar South African rand. It has reached this demand zone right now, a rebound, but right now it stands inside of a supply zone. Supply zone, guys. Yeah. Let's take a look. Yeah. So something like this. On lower time frames, yeah, maybe I will have here something on this market. But I'll wait to see how it will react around the economic data, because maybe I will go long and at market if it comes back down, because better than expected US data could invalidate the potential. If I will decide maybe to place a buy limit here, maybe the price will fail to come back to retest this zone before jumping higher. Maybe the price extend its growth if the economic data comes in better than expected. And this is the thing, okay? So right now I'll wait for the economic data, and I will have maybe a potential setup here: USD South African rand, or US dollar or Australian dollar US dollar, sorry, Australian dollar US dollar, or I don't know, maybe British pound US dollar. Let's take a look on gold. Yeah, maybe I will have something really good. Gold, yeah, also here, after failing to take out that former high, and after failing to take out 2041, in my opinion, better than expected US data could force the price of gold to develop a larger downside movement in the short term. I don't know if I will be able to, or I don't know if I will be able to place something like this here. Let's see. I don't know. This is a potential. This is a potential setup. It doesn't mean I will place it. Yeah. Let's take a look. I will measure the risk in my real account because personally I'm trading on a real account, guys. I'm placing all my trades in a real account. Yeah. Potential setup. One moment, because I will measure the risk to see if I can, if I will be able to, or if I, because having maybe a small trading account, you cannot afford maybe to use a larger. Nope. No, unfortunately, if I will, no. Unfortunately, the stop loss is too large, and my risk, if I will decide with a smallest size 0.01, my risk it would have been, my risk, yeah, it could be 1.15. No, I will not place such a trade. I'll wait. Maybe I'll have something else. This is the thing. That's why maybe I'll have good opportunities or potential setups, but if I cannot use maybe a 0.5, 0.6, 0.4, 0.3 risk, no, I will not place a trade with more than 1% risk. Okay, so but as I've said, it remains to see. But staying above the former low. Yeah, staying above the former low. What time is the report coming out? What report? Please take a look. Yeah, industrial production and capacity utilization rate in 5 minutes. Yeah. Personally, I'm using here a Forex Factory, and later, guys, we'll have flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. This could be decisive. Also, guys, this range, guys, okay, we have a range pattern here. An extended, maybe this range pattern could bring us something here. Okay, one moment. Yeah, because the bias is bullish. It's still bullish in the short term. Only false breakdown and great separation, which could signal that that the buyers are still very strong, that the upside pressure is strong, and an upside breakout, a value breakout, or testing, retesting, false breakdowns may signal a potential new bullish momentum and rally, and the new higher high could signal an upside continuation, because after escaping from this pattern here, an amazing rally. That's why in the short term, this accumulation, sideways movement, or a temporary retreat was natural, was expected. But yeah, if it stays above that former low, then it could extend its growth. Yeah, I'm looking for longs, or taking out that former low could bring us potential shorts, or a new false breakdown here, test retest. A false breakdown could bring us potential short from around that resistance. But it's very important. Don't forget that the economic data should have a big impact, and could bring us sharp movements in both directions in the short term, high volatility. Yeah, but yeah, better than expected US data could lift the US dollar and could punish the price of gold and silver. Also here, as long as it stays above the immediate low here, the bias is still bullish. Also here in silver. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Also here in silver, a potential new lower low followed by a retest could bring us something here in silver. After this impressive upwards movement, maybe the buyers are exhausted. US oil, personally, maybe I'm looking for potential longs, but yeah, if after this impressive upwards movement and rally right now, it challenges the pivot point, the former high sideways movement. As long as it stays maybe above the medium line here or coming back to retest this demand zone, could bring us potential longs here on US oil, on crude oil, in my opinion. Okay, this could be my scenario here. Impressive upwards movement, temporary retreat on a strong accumulation consolidation before extending its growth. US100, yeah. Personally, I was looking at something today in US oil. Sorry, US 100. Because maybe this could represent only a temporary rebound. Right now, yeah, it has reached the immediate demand zone. Right now, the new bullish momentum. So yeah, probably only if it drops below the immediate low, below 16,548, could open the door for a potential downside movement. Yeah. A potential sell-off here on this market. It could try to retest the supply zones before then to the downside. Okay, that's why personally I'm still holding my US 500, US 30, a sell-off on US 30 as well. US 30 as well. So less than 1 minute before the industrial production and capacity utilization rate. I will invite more members. Okay. Arif, hello my friend, long time no see. Hi, how are you? Arif, hi, how are you? Reply. Okay. Let's take a look on Bitcoin, guys, and then, or actually, let's take a look here because we already have the industrial production, only 0.2 capacity utilization rate. Let's wait, 78.8, so worse than expected data for now. Worse than expected data. But maybe the traders are still waiting, and maybe right now the DXY could come back down, as I've said, to retest the demand zone. And I've told you, Australian dollar, US dollar, or maybe British pound, US dollar, or maybe US dollar, South African rand, something like this. I've said that maybe the price could come back. Right now, poor economic data, maybe the price could come back to retest the supply zone. And then positive economic data reported by the flash services PMI indicator, flash services, flash manufacturing PMI could bring us those US dollar longs. Yeah. US dollar longs. Yeah, that's why I've said that I'll wait for the economic data before taking action. Don't forget to like the video, guys. So I have some sell position US30 from 37,300 stop loss, and I'm on long position. What? I've talked about US30. Yeah. One moment. Sorry. What? US30. What happened with my so you are short 37,356 and 56. Yeah, I believe that you are in deep profit. I don't know exactly. Yeah. 56, you are in profit. 456, 456. No, yeah. So I don't know. So you are short and you are long as well. I don't know. Yeah. So it's your trading. It's your I don't know. It's your position. But I don't have an opinion right now. As I've said, guys, personally, I'm still holding that US500, and maybe I will try to catch something US100. Okay. But right now, poor economic data. For US economic data, the DXY could come back down to retest the broken levels, which could force the US equities to jump higher. It remains to see how it will react also later after the flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. So I'm not a financial advisor, Parif. I will not tell you what to do, and I really don't understand. So you are short, yeah, and I'm on long positions. What is this? Okay. Okay. Yeah, yen basket. Let's take a look on the Japanese yen, because I talked about US dollar, Japanese yen, and I will take a look on. I'm on long positions, US30. Okay, and you said that I have some sell positions, US30. Okay, if you are not telling me exactly your levels from where you are long, your time frame, your stop loss, your take profits, your short positions, I don't know. Okay, Japanese yen. Yeah, right now, let's see. Let's see. Let's use this descending pitchfork here. And probably, guys, next week on Wednesday, I will go live. And maybe I will talk about pitchfork and how to use it, how to draw it, maybe and yeah, it could be an educational webinar next on Wednesday, actually. Yeah. But I will come back with an update, and but yeah, probably I will go live, and I will host a live session, educational webinar. So right now, potential flag, okay, potential flag, and right now it challenges here 71.26. registering only false breakouts and making a new lower low could open the door for a potential downside movement, and then the Japanese yen could depreciate versus its rivals. And yeah, taking out the upper medium line, making a new higher high, staying above the uptrend line could signal potential further growth, and yeah, maybe it could bring us something also on the Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We'll take a look on Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. Okay. No. That's why I said that maybe we could have something like British pound, Japanese yen rebound after reaching this demand zone. A new rebound, but if it retests this imbalance, maybe it could try to develop an upwards movement. If that scenario takes shape, yeah. Euro, Japanese yen. Sorry, shit. One moment. I have to take a look on something. Yeah, still bearish. Euro, Japanese yen. No, I don't have a potential setup right now on this market. So personally, I don't have a potential setup right now. No, I don't have a potential setup right now. No. Okay, let's move on. As long as I don't have a clear setup, I don't want you to place a trade if I don't have something really good like a high probability setup. Okay, but let's go back. British pound, US dollar. Let's see. Yeah, potential rebound in the short term. Personally, I would like the price to come back to retest this zone, and then boom. Euro USD. You sent it 20 minutes ago. Please take a look before those trades, and when you will see my name, when you will see Olympio, you will know that that's my trade, that's my work. Under my videos, you will see my name into the VIP group, Olympio. Okay, please, guys. And yeah, when I'll send something, you will know that I've sent a trade, that I've sent a video. Yeah. On a video analysis, my market breakdown video, my daily video analysis, webinar. Yeah, please take a look right below potential content, and you will see my name when I will post something. Okay, Euro USD. No, I didn't send anything on the VIP. Take a look again. Take a look again. Person, I've sent the last message. Yeah, you can still join my webinar, and you can see Olympio. Yeah, under that message. Okay, so let's go back. US100. 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 Yeah, I'm still holding my US 500, which is still good, and we'll let it ride. Maybe later today, guys, I will decide to manage the position. Maybe if I will be able to cut the risk, it would be perfect. Yeah, if I will maybe if I will be able to move the stop loss at break even if the price crashes. Yeah, this could be perfect and amazing. Also here US 100, maybe because I have only because I still have US 500. No, I will not place a trade here on I will not place a trade on US 100, only because because later the volatility could be high, anything could happen. Maybe we'll have sharp movements in both directions. Right now I'll wait. I have only US 500, which is still really good. Yeah, which is really good, and yeah, the setup is still valid. And I'll wait. Yeah, DXY. DXY, yeah, as I've said, Bitcoin. Let's take a look on Bitcoin. After this massive sell-off, it has failed to stay below my upper medium line. Let's take a look on daily, because it's important for you to understand technically what's going on here. So personally, I have 1, 2, and 3 here on ascending pitchfork, and as I've said, probably on Wednesday I will go live, and I will go live, and I will talk about Andrew's pitchfork, about this amazing tool, technical tool. I will show you how to use it live. Yeah, and how to identify maybe potential setups and trades using this tool. Please take a look here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Test retests. It has confirmed the price action confirmed this ascending pitchfork, strong upwards movement. It has found resistance here right above the 150% Fibonacci line. Sell off here. It has maybe it has tried to retest the supply zone, and right now it's trading in the red again. And in my opinion, guys, if it comes back and if it stabilizes below the upper medium line here, then it could maybe open the door for a potential larger retreat, potential larger drop here on Bitcoin. Okay, yeah. This is my opinion here about Bitcoin in the short term, but don't forget that it could only retest here the upper medium line, the S1, the demand zone, and registering only false breakdowns, or yeah, failing to take out the former lows, or to stabilize below the upper medium line, could maybe signal a new bullish momentum in the short term. But right now, if the DXY jumps higher, if the US dollar dominates the currency market, then maybe the US dollar could drag the price down also here. Yeah, Bitcoin US dollar. If you are interested in cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, same thing here, rally, a sell-off, maybe a retest. Yeah, the bias is still bullish, guys. The bias is still bullish, but yeah, we cannot exclude the retreat, sell-off. Yeah. I will take a look. On my US 500. Yeah, it's still good. That's why I've decided to keep it, to hold it, and let's wait for the economic data, and maybe we'll have a larger correction. Let's see, let's wait. Yeah. The US dollar is still strong, I don't know if it will. Let's take a look. Australian dollar, US dollar again. If it will come back to retest this zone, the supply zone. But maybe I will try to catch something also here. Australian dollar, US dollar. A potential short. Potential short. What time is economic data releasing? In less than 12 minutes. Yeah. And most likely the volatility, yeah, could be high. The volatility could be high. US dollar, South African rand again. So this could be my trades. So probably Australian dollar, US dollar, or US dollar, South African rand. Yeah, gold. Yeah, still there. Unfortunately, not a very clear or very good breakdown here. So the bias is still bullish here. Gold in the short term, if it stays above 2027. No, thanks. Yeah, thank you as well. Don't worry. That's why I'm here. Silver, let's take a look. Nothing really good for now. For now, nothing really good for me, but I've said maybe also US oil. US oil. I would love the price. I would like the price to come back down to retest this zone and then boom, or to retest here. But in the short term, guys, if the US dollar dominates the currency market, then sorry, then the US oil, the crude oil could, the price of crude oil, the US oil could drop if the US dollar appreciates versus rivals. Yeah. British pound, US dollar. British pound, US dollar. Yeah, US 500 is in profit. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I've missed this opportunity to place a sell stop here. Right now my position, it would have been in profit, and maybe before the economic data I would have moved the stop loss at break even, and then I would have let it ride. Yeah, don't worry, I will look for something else, and maybe we'll have something else. Yeah. Actually, let's take a look on US 500, and I will tell you why I've decided, guys, to let it ride. Last night, okay, we had this massive sell-off. A rebound was natural, right? The price retested 47.35. Right now it has crashed again, and it's in profit again. I'll wait. I will let it ride, but yeah, if you are not a VIP member, you will not have my my trade management, and because personally I'll come back with an update later if I'll decide to manage it, if I'll decide to let it ride. This is the thing, guys, massive sell-off, and unfortunately I was out last night when the price reached the R3, a rebound, and because maybe this is the thing. So please don't spam on my chat, and please one moment. Okay, so as I've said, I wasn't able to keep an eye on this trade last night, because maybe personally I would have moved my stop loss at break even, and yeah, maybe my position it would have closed at break even. But right now I've let it ride after this this strong rebound upwards movement. Right now it's still in profit. I will let it ride right now because it's in profit, and yeah, if it drops, maybe this time I will move the stop loss at break even, but I will come back with an update into the VIP group. Don't worry, guys, if you are a VIP member. But personally I wanted to talk about the reason why I've decided to let it ride, even if the price turned against me. Yeah, last night and during the Asian session I was out. Yeah, I wasn't able to keep an eye on this trade, but right now it's still good. It's still the setup is still valid, and I'll wait for the economic data, and I will come back with an update, maybe into the VIP group. Yeah, thank you, guys. So it's still in profit, but if you are not a VIP member, you will not have my my trade management. Yeah, okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like the video. Yeah, the US dollar is still bullish, even if here capacity utilization rate worse than expected, industrial production worse than expected, but better compared to the previous reporting period. Okay, that's why the US dollar is still strong. It's still strong. That's why US 30, US 100, US 500, US 100. US 30. US 30. It seems that you don't have questions, any more questions. In less than 4 minutes we'll have the US economic data, which could be decisive. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, guys. Let's wait. I'll wait for the economic data. Yeah. I'll wait for the economic data. Yen basket, yen basket, yen basket, yen basket. Yen. Yeah, breakout. Yeah, strong sell-off. Only because the yen basket rallied. Two minutes. 2 minutes, guys. Let's take a look here on the DXY. But yeah, maybe in the short term, personally, I would have loved to see, or I would have liked to see a retreat and then to develop a larger upwards movement. Yeah. One minute, guys, and most likely we'll have sharp movements, high volatility. Yeah. Arif, I've told you, I've talked about the PMIs also today in my market breakdown, also today. Yeah, I said that better than expected data, positive data, should help the US dollar to dominate the currency market, to appreciate versus rivals. Yeah. And if this scenario takes shape, then gold and silver could drop. Let's wait. Yeah. 2 seconds, 1 second. Let's wait for Forex factor here. Worse, flash manufacturing PMI worse than expected, 48.2 versus 49.5. So mixed data. So contraction in this sector, expansion in the services sector. Let's take a look. US 100, US 500. Yeah, it's still good. I'm still holding my US 500, and I will look maybe for potential new setups after the economic data, mixed economic data. Maybe the Australian dollar, US dollar could come back to retest the supply zone, maybe before going down, as the DXY could still extend its short-term rebound, leg higher, swing higher, guys. US dollar, South African rand. I'll wait a little for the markets to calm down, to cool down, and then I will come back with a new setup. Yeah, high probability setup into the VIP group. Yeah. Right now, nothing really important. It has changed little in the short term, but most likely the price could explode in the short term. The DXY, the US dollar, US equities. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. It seems that I don't have questions. More questions. To tell me what you are looking at exactly, your time frame, your levels. Okay. So have a great weekend. The person will come back with an update later about my US 500, and also with if I will have a high probability trade, I will send it and I will share it, and also my thought process maybe. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. US 500 is in profit again, and I will let it ride. Okay, I will ride it right because yeah, I've decided to keep it. The price retested the supply zone, as I've said today. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.